komo akwa e de ba mama media so ma we fi say we ma subscribe na sun no a share videos no say ya betimi edu echi osane kwami e de bi nje fi ena nyankopon adom magime dwai ye ba betwetwe komo Ghana for do na na ya ta aka se do ma komo bo asase so no wan ya bro wa dun ni pe peace ka ko diamond ya de na no kra de o ye be pie manfo bo se Ghana ye ya nsa se fe grand na ho chene ba kese ye nya ntiye se hinta se bi wo ho a na so ma abibim titi o man Ghana ye tempting kwai tala na ba ye foma na de egu enu nti ne ye sinkunya ya ba so fo panyina woda Christ of Commerce Minister no ewo Kumasi Krupum ha ene ne ba patricia komo sempakani ajikum no wache nyentia how ne abenidi na ama Ghana titu ye na misa aba mo akwa
jo so yeso de mo
di ye se mama ne enso mama na ba ni na ho ye
na mi adom me ye
yes
moso e
nyakopon adom
na se
papa edie na ohun se no me be da Africa so am Africa ye hu amanisi.
Yes, so first of all, we are Africa, we are America, we are Europe. I could be an answer at your penance for down on woman. As you need that, and it's a word, as it be also trauma.
Now, man, be cool.
To the Antiabni Kruna, your Becusa Africa, because as a woman, all the day of our life. Trauma be my beatings, I had no end to it. The Becusa, I am common.
Aba ebe ubu ye se otwa nwana ama na bibi krom kutem bi se ene Black Africa so bibi no krom eje ne krom de na hama
and do se opusa sase ayi tasam so opusa na me be chanya me ahoma na me kan se no bibi o baabi and the kuta African boss hwe obia president bia person ya papa so nyi Oba first take it no from something is working somewhere.
Something is working somewhere. About your papa ni so podium na ye nkwohwe ensem bia former AU ambassador to US e dey to dia fan ye work yan. Ye ba ya pass.
IMF, World Bank, all other institutions, they make African countries jump through hoops. Loans will never be able to pay. The US, when they borrow money, they're getting it in 1.5, 1.9 interest rate. Africans, when they get the same amount of money, they're paying 9, 10%. The people who don't need a break, they get a break. The ones who need a break, they don't get a break. The sheer survival of the World Bank, IMF, is based on the fact that African countries and many other developing countries do not succeed. Their success is based on our failure. That has to change. And guess who can make that change? We. The children of Africa, we, the Africans, are the ones who have to say, we know your game now. Enough is enough. We're not playing it anymore. And this is where the diaspora come in. There are more Ghanaian doctors in New York City than in the entire country of Ghana. There are more Nigerian doctors in LA than in the entire country of Nigeria. So let's be serious here. What Africa needs is capacity. And that capacity is in the diaspora. So it behooves us to bring the diaspora together. Let them understand what is really going on in our Africa. Diaspora are not going home. Diaspora are angry about Africa because they are not understanding the root cause of why Africa is where it is today. They think getting rid of a president will take care of the problem. Far from it. That president is just going to be replaced by another one who is going to equally suffer from the same difficult environment to work in. So let's look at an Africa that must be free to take care of herself, an Africa that's free from exploitation from outsiders. The multinationals who are stealing from Africa every day in broad daylight. I use an example of the DRC. If you ever fly very low over the DRC, you'll see tarmacs in the jungle. You'll see 747s flying into DRC, picking up minerals and flying right out. The same multinationals are responsible for arming young people and giving them MK-16s. Because why? Their satellites in the skies are telling them where that village is. There are lots of diamonds. So what do? Arm young people, drag them up, and send them to go chop off a few heads. The rest of the village runs away, so they come behind and do their illegal mining. We black people must understand what is really going on. Because what we are shown instead is, oh, look at those Africans killing each other. There are some serious games that have been played in Africa for far too long. And once we understand that, we can strategize as to how we can begin to bring the difference and bring the change that Africa needs. And that change can only come if the African diaspora are united. And the Wakanda villages, as I call them, it is our organized way of saying, starting with one African Diaspora Center of Excellence, it will be a new city, a developmental hub that we can then take from there. Every sector is developed. Take healthcare. How many doctors do we need in this region to take care of this many people? We pick up education, same thing. We pick up engineering. We pick up electricity. How many megawatts of power do we have in the region? How many do we need? Be it solar, be it wind, be it hydro, be it geothermal, be it nuclear.
Papa, send him a manaka former ambassador to US. Send him a proposal say Africa, one plan, one tears here. Send him probably being in edge. That's what you.
I didn't do do me be a home to so. So when you talk about case, do me be a home here and the home obey term or how a mania or the more things. On the bit term. Yes, so to all my idea in Chamamoso. At the tea, where Obi call about you now, 10 pounds per hour. What matter, Papa? Nobody can let 10 million per hour any year because one over my point.
Enemy,
yes, yes. And the call, remember the Bama kind. A friend said Genesis 9. Genesis 9. Young country 24 to 26.
So I say, na Noah, and so tetifri ne sabro, na ote diane kumano eje no, na oka say, do me enkan kena, obeye akwa, emu akwa ama ananano, na oka nonso, na oka nonso no, oshira ne sem, yankopon ewrade. Onyankopon ma yafte asi tre na otani sem ntuma dan mu na kena anye won akoa kena na kena ye won akoa
anu kena no ni ham no omani no abana okohwen papa dedam to osi no wo boye no sori no okesi ha sa wo obesom Sham, da, you said that. Obesom da. Na ham se for na ye de ben e be di am into you under case.
On here before.
Before I don't fuck home. And a friend saying before ka ho. Tina Europe ni America on country ye no. Nti anse na e be di ye ho no. Just say ya bomba ko nya no ho no divine. I don't forget.
Papa say me to see ya.
Na home fi o.
They say so boy ya na mpempi e dey boy ya mem mpemfo no. Ni kwa say just aso.
They be condemn so omu ni mu masem. Kwano ko ba ya no. O study so bi ko ya de ba na time no, the time come no. No o ya fast bomb fire ba. O ya fasting bomb fire in the beginning no okosuye. Transcend na masaya. Ani ni magiguye. President will be your best papa. And the butaye ubia. I don't get anybody. The butaye my home on the man. Because the cousin is working.
But dear, ya bam for no man food. You know, home and as a numi and then
and then you can Isaiah 126. Or say this say only 2 months. Ya tell for a whole colonel. No more almost sakra. Almost sakra. And that's a from man be a 10 months in the Michelin Kay. And the home and our collection will remove. Also, collection everything. Okay, we shall collection also. Yes, no. And the spirit of disobedience, because we are the case, I'm not the spirit of disobedience. I can't tell you, I'm black now. But no one need greediness.
It's about my muscle. Now obi a doing and so you war a Japan ni pa or this.
Yes. The entire you would have said the Dumpo. You would have president the Gudilum. country bi ba Ghana abeje abe akodua they say o produce me ba Ghana country we obeje abepe they say o produce me ba Ghana all the mineral resources by your prosper because of the case we so bi we bibia e say nyame ni hiraso na me so hiraso this is dominate a few and say nyame hira de ben abomare so and the point you do say adibu bia aka when you say nyina yura this is konya mi pomp na me yisa no if you are not forget it you may 300 billion krana e be skedo
therefore what in papa e kan ti nya 300 billion kra enyi ya fast da ma P2 faction ono adama and OCC or mama media for maybe I will be a so in Africa with papa share now so when you find P2 faction if I say in a if it is a heba center T2 say when ni ya dear or and abako na ya mu odua be fools or money sell very show much e amame papa na no me ya wo kan wan say if he na eblebe na shase a edi Africa nyame bi aka nyame
started war ebra no abano kwen papa je down kese no and I want to talk to us on the fact this over 5 yes I want the plan size and I shall go to American Europe and I want to child na kese is working also kan Bible now onyankopon o kantam so what the Jews no in kwaso 400 years but 400 years turning to 430 years why because no only obi a obegina identity da mo man no till
no nyantegina for
temple for be no so move forward Jeremiah prophesies say Jews no aybone onboko in kwaso 70 years and so etwamu no one obi a mo me obe intercede and Daniel go for the scroll book no was tamama atwam Daniel 9 no huya no obompaye di mo dada no san Yakobo yi ofiri nkoso enti hia obi betim agina maye enti na just say difo bi ni Ghana say difo Ghana so ko bugina na nyame yi dum fio na ahoto ede wonya sikeke trogra na me sha na etumpo ko sa no me sa no me no oso a ye di risk na ba ko na edube no fruit cause no me ye dem edaso to no me no di time the exercise of the money enya wo the shop usua enya enmedia wo enmedia so ba can do nothing enmedia na wo enso cho obonsam akata wo so obonsam anfiwa ya mompa no anfiwa ye be sa kobri we ba ne we ko we ba ne da so to ABCD no ye be kan ABC no enu zetida ye be marketer jise nyakopon osono ya hunu wa betien the time de me no ko hihema munyi se na hotaba to what are the prophet those scholars and prophet what are they coronavirus way obi dane but your body me go no e kwata if name anyasa oyo kufo oyo sahen ye ne bra juda no osu some de no besu buku me no ase e wa hapa na Elisha tie also hene nyako besu mo fa ne mra no one said there's a prophet in Israel. No one said odifo in Israel. You even osayare. No, what about where are the prophet?
Papa, what's my working there say Ghana so you the whole when say Christopher man. Na le na no mi bi say one pai bo nyina echi dara nyame ntie sifa na huna mo amoya so from mu
Omuhuye, omano papa, omuhuye.
Ti o nko na nyame ade na dia chi.
Oh, I mean kasa me nko a. Nyame won ma bebre, me kasa me nko a. Nyame de on ma bebre. But said de be e kan. Omo nyame from a papa no, ye mo gade o. For bago mo an from na hwe. Ye bu bita. Fasifo de jomudi. Omo nyame fa nyame o ka obi hu kan no twem. Ba nyame de bibia so. To na le Jesus say en shane de omo nyame obi hu. So be de no better. Nyame de masa mo e principles. It's the one who not pana. The best shame course you make it no agibro no en so ba. Yeah, but say we loan us a account, and that's all. I'm a pro wickedness. Almost say wicked. Almost say comfort. Almost say dada for. And do some man, now I or dada mine, and the corner mine, no crazy anymore. This is the work of the devil. The crazy war, be a your pet.
About the okay, like I said, air popping blast, I mean, be soon good, so will be here for so. May any baby with the DSL bar, Ghana beach.
Minya, Sabia, Anya Biano. President Baco, Miansa, won't be. To another. It is the share, my devil war, the money the oil, penny power USA. You am in Dinkatown. No, sister, name on Mango Fonto Solo. One of a catcher. O mo nyo okofo ko mu fu tese mtse be blam me bo mpai atase country bo wa resource won o many bi but they are prosperous. Like Ghana, you have both sides, gold, diamond, manganese, timber, cocoa, but we have everything.
Say okay, like I said, in pa or the Mancuma de Amai. Say, we bet me to say, and another man is a Ghana pan a dear Yakis.
Ghana, na Africa, they are quite more. You come on. I don't know what cocoa. Oh, diamond. Now you two cocoa, not above the price line. No one on the price line.
No, any assel. Was there many so for Penina or that class over Camus Minister? No, Yami, Nipaka, pa, and I had to chunk of more woman media. So, say, blood, my ear bringing a hair, I was it. As soon as I was it, ya doing a watch you, no one come or any deal. So I shall be share videos no at Yamai. Na no one so at me, I could use. I said, I know what to be so, me be so. You were a piece of one kabum Christian Council. I saw 4 could down. Omodi Ramo, no danchan. You was so fun pen for motion come, say me baby see. In terms of moon, you was one soon yammy. Is a Ghana dear. Monday to Sunday, bed P.I.S. Nancy Yammy, into ma, due for the answer of what I see you, Miss Arnomy at the SUA. Yet that's what I mean.
What can be? You were a software, Yamia from, and a software one casa from, or one after Yamina from. And they are software one, Yamia from, and also one from the only food now. Yamino one casa. Over Daniel, a bra, the book and not so die, so Bokunin answer for you. What happened? Also, that will cut on so young, I mean, coming young copon, you go send young coupon. Or Obama, why? Daya, they are called the Bill of Java. Tina, and more than a coupon. Obisway, major prophet is open a coupon. Obisway, prophet number 1. Why not going to God and bring a solution? Not on man and Potoy. That's my point. So I will say a major prophet. Now you could focus the whole world, prophet number 1. Why not going to go and bring a solution? Not still Ghana idea. Like a different papa member, or you come on, oh, not a Ghana idea.
Hey, you were different, I
am a fool, I am a drink. I'm a fool of my drink. Take a different power, they should be a solution by now. I don't want to feel a ladder. What ladder? A bra. Yes, small sample chip, a ladder. What happened? On my assassin, or what is it? What's that be after the you perceive proof said, I have winami. Only Yami, and I said, Yami. And that's that. Now, what's the front Yakupon? Off every Yama. I'll be free Yakubo or Jeffrey so by the more people some part in Raja, Winami, and I'm not Baba, I am this. They don't demonstrate the power of God. Now, a yes, no one say you will never had your son, those prophets. Demonstrate the power of God. Then the person that time, no Bible, or Bible, but the demonstration through Elijah. And I'm Obian who said, they see a soon and coupon. Elijah became yeah, far. Because what actually say is sent by God. And now, not through the root, will be soon. There was Conampo. Now, there was the power of God and power. You are a true prophet of God. Then you be sugar. Be soon and coupon. Now, Mark, who tried them, I'm a gun. papa bi na me ho oko Australia so a man of God or the no say we man of God no hia ka Ghana anya ko ohiem na e come dey they go and demonstrate power na ahotomo Ghana. It is true. You call someone of God. Ye crisis ye wu na me no kasa someone you say yes na ko pon so fa na do the o ma bibisi no what demonstrate God's power no some power we na me afa Elijah ye Moses ye na Moses anye o pa ko mu na me ma ni fa na ko pa the why not friend o kan won fa
apa ye was fa se wo memu ni na me adifo ti wo ka se yo be se o me ye tia se wo nyina mfinya
me de make say be no man from ko we the crisis o we the tuna so how long man ma any prophet na so There's one to answer somebody. How can I call you a prophet? I can't call you a prophet. What to answer? They have to stop it. Kuna no. Na they be also na me no kasa. Nyami say. Into how are you calling na me can't from? And na me can't from me. I say you can't call you a prophet. I saw kuna na me can be true. Na solution ba. Na o man aboto ba. Na ye niama ye no. Inside the bay, Apaso.
Paso man, Suntin, a got to Abasa, Benya, be a candy for no matter to no man, a bit me a day in the park, I blame. It is as of one day, don't bum say, it don't but a boomer, someone in Sumagan and ye. When I go home, oh no, the bomb, God, Namimo, plenty be choosing about. That's so. Who's a wolf who can come? Beautiful. Only you different. Say Elijah or Bombay Jeffrey Subay. I have a show. And yes, sir. Elisha, name my quota. Yammy Faster side to okay, we are never let's give it never offer. Go push it to me, woman. Also catch on fire. There's a sound prophet number 1. I say, you should know demonstrate God's power to you. And when man pay for baby, they'll consult you. Then I'm not talking. Daniel is a typical example. Jeremiah, typical example. Almost just say, shut up, Mr. Abednego. Nami, I say, Nami, uncle, Nami, you show him. I don't know what Caribbean or not a one question, head was sitting. Why? Because Nami said, Nami be a devil. I can't. You don't call chef no one. President of Castle on Unchi. Phone, well, hey, tis a way in Uncle Bon, prophet number 1. Now, no man said, Cherry, down, so just to be a who I know so. And now, no, so we be who. Well, Castle baby put this out, you have done practically nothing. It's nothing. It's nothing. It bear no fruit. And swabber. Or baby no winner and swabber. Or baby will be what and swabber. And a deep one. Go 4 pounds of it, and no, it's not nothing. We shall pan green and nothing, and no swabber. And no swabber. We be woo and swabber. It be no food. We be no winner and swabber. The best swabber say, Nami Bappo so used to know I want to about Ghana. No for Ghana, I cover mine. No, you're my cost man, and then not just so you're different. Yeah, we be, it's nothing. Who do be? We be pro, we be Nasdaq, and not a bend of fruit. Let go to God. Then Konanwo. Or the solution by yes, sir. And you couldn't let the solution come to you. You some part we are prophet to God. This is the prophet I'm now. Abanti de okay de ke so man blend titu Ghana na wo nti yensum Ghana. Beti de ho so bonu bia bo asofo nse omuni ma o man. I mean can Jeremiah 14:14. Or since or give for war. What I say, Nina men swano, not so sham coma. What the mumuye, and no one at a castle. The Yamin Swam, like I said, now we see them see what the mumuyan no me and mumuyan or walk as a calamity no that. It is Jeremiah 14:16. Now make up Jeremiah Deca. Hey, Tinyami, that's the sketcher. Never about a course of a camera. Jeremiah 14:16.
And to know me be bring a come for this people. Now me can you say now me curse will come upon the land. It's in the Bible.
Pacho ye kan Jeremia ngoma etidu na nchichemu du na kopim du nsia. O se na Erade ka kire me se entro ni atro ni edifo na de hye me di mu nkom. Me suma wo, me hye wo, me nkasa me nkire wo. Atro ni tuade hunu ne nkom hye na wo hunu. Wan akomemu edada na oka kire mu yi. Enu nti se Erade ka kire edifo a wode me din hye nkom nanso enye me na masoma won na won de okase afena ne ekom reba asase yi so na ehun nti afena ne ekom ara na ebedwiri edifo no 16 na oman no eni edifo no hye nkom kire won ekom ne afena nti obewu Jerusalem emro no so na obiara eni ho a obesie won won yerenom ne won emaba ne won mama nyina na be ma won bone ebua won etifi
also different share kono mama also ohana man be to man na nyame de oman ne bone be de ben e be to ma pempem nyame de bone ko pempem ba obeli oniye te different ka ho also nyame swa na sa ko asno ka se na waka also de mumuye agumawu atete ohaw ene egu oman so na bi ko musu ya onyankopon so for oman bone ye de enten na kom sha wasenti na na bi ka o babu neka the different come on and so on too but the no man a cast who shall save the nation.
I was saying I am fast down P2 clothing omo na ebesiesie ama why fair so kwa pon to be ase I fraud maybe bia na ope African way bia sha P2 clothing Ebenezer Herbal Center se plan nebeja ya samapa adansidi wata ho titiri hunemani nsan ya di ankasa di Ebenezer yetini so a na ya sori